Fine. Yes, to determine your saponification value, we have filled the burette, fine, with 0.5 molar HCl solution. Fine. We can note down the initial reading, and then next we'll take the blank solution without the oil sample. So you need to take around 25 ml of your sample alcoholic KOH solution without the oil sample. So take it to the conical flask, 250 ml clean conical flask. So since KOH, it is a base and acid HCl, is this base versus acid reaction, you are going to add since both are colorless, you are going to add the indicator. So you are going to add around 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Enough. So as soon as you add the indicator, the solution turns to pink, right? So from now, as soon as you start titrating against the titrant, it has to turn from colored to pale pink to colorless. So that would be your blank reading. Do it drop wise. So at the point where the color actually changes, it will be the neutralization point. That is, the complete KOH solution has been neutralized with your HCl molecule. Drop wise. Take it away and see it. Release it, no problem. Another one drop. Still light pink is there. One more drop. Yes, so you're from colorless, the pale pink to it has turned to colorless. Record the burette reading.
12 point.
So it is almost around 12. Take down your burette reading. So next, the same thing we are going to do it with the sample. Discard that. Sample. So this sample contains oil sample, 1 to 2 ml of fat solvent, okay, 25 ml of KOH solution, and it is refluxed. Boil for 30 minutes. It's cooled. So take around 25 ml of the sample. So again add 2 to 3 drops indicator for the sample. So note down again the initial reading. and start titrating. So you are in this sample. So some of the KOH molecule here, it is being consumed for saponifying the triacyl glycerol to salts of fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, and the left out KOH molecule which is being in the sample, it is now going to react with your titrant solution filled in the burette. So look at, so as soon the color changes, because some of the KOH molecule it is being utilized for saponifying, right? So note down the burette reading. It's almost around 5 point. 5 ml. Let's come back to your observation part. Right. So the blank, it was around the volume taken. We'll take it the blank as X solution, that is 12 ml, and sample. Right. So initially it was 12, ended up with this 17. Sample, it ended up with 17. So overall it is 5 ml. Right. So the titrant value of the blank is 12 ml and the titrant value of the sample is around 5 ml. Okay. Volume of HCl, 0.5 molar HCl consumed for blank is 12 ml and for sample it is 5 ml. Fine. So after that we can go for the calculation part. Right. So we have volume of 0.5 molar KOH, that is blank. So the difference of blank and sample will give you actual volume of HCl that is being consumed to, that is saponify, right? So it is around 12 minus 5. So how much? 7 ml of 0.5 molar HCl solution. Fine. So now it is in the ml. We need to convert this ml in terms of milligram of KOH. So for that, first we will convert this ml into millimoles and then convert this millimoles into the milligram. Fine. So we have to express this saponification in terms of unit. You have a unit like milligram of KOH per gram. So this is the unit of saponification value. Fine. So but we have the volume in terms of ml. I mean the value in terms of ml. So we'll convert this ml into millimoles and then into the milligrams. Fine. So number of millimoles of KOH is, so the difference what you got it is x minus 5 is 7. So I'll take this 7 and remove with the dilution factor of the 0.5 molar HCl. So HCl, what is the molarity we had taken? 0.5. So we'll multiply it by 0.5. So how much? 7 into 0.5 is, it is 3.5 millimoles. Fine. Now this millimole has to be converted into milligram is, you have to multiply by the equivalent weight of KOH. It is how much? 56. So this is equivalent weight of the KOH. So we have got around 3.5, that is the difference which is being converted into millimoles. Fine. That into 56. 196 milligram. Okay. 196 milligram of KOH per gram of oil. 196 milligram of KOH per gram of oil. Fine. So you can report it finally. Therefore, the volume of KOH required to saponify 1 gram of oil or fat is equal to 196 milligram of KOH per gram of oil. Fine. So according to that, we have different saponification value ranges. Okay, like for example, castor oil. Okay, castor oil, palm oil, coconut oil. So we had taken around the sample is around castor oil. Okay. So the castor oil range is around 175 to 187 milligram. So this is a standard range for castor oil, that is 175 to 187 milligram of KOH, okay, per gram of oil. So we have got around 196 milligram of KOH per gram of oil. Fine. So this is the saponification value of the oil sample we had been taken.